Which transformation of segment OA would result image parallel to segment OA? And first we have reflection over this is x-axis. We know that the reflection is transformation that uses a line like a mirror to reflect image. And when we reflect our segment, in this case, over the x-axis, then the first coordinate stay the same. So if this point is A is 3 units down, we can count. So now will be 1, 2, 3 units up, and the first coordinate is the same. This is, let's draw the dash. This is image of our segment OA over x-axis. And we see that these two segments are now parallel. So first statement is not our solution. Next, we have reflection over y-axis. So now when we reflect over y-axis, the second, this is our y-axis, the second coordinate stay the same, but the first change. We have 1, 2, 3 from to left from the y-axis, so now we will be to the right, 1, 2, 3. So this is our point A now. And we see that this segment and that are not parallel. So the second is not also our solution. Next we have translation over 3 units up. We know that translation moves every point of figure the same distance in the same direction. So we have these two characteristic points, point A, and we will move these 2 points 3 units up. So if we put that, we have here negative 1, 1, 1, this is our unit. So we have to go 3 units up, so 1, 2, 3. Here will be now point A, and point O, 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. So our segment will be now here, 3 units up. We see that these two segments are parallel. So this is our solution. This gives us 2 parallel segments. You can write that this is A prime, O prime. So we have that segment OA is parallel to segment O prime, A prime. We can write A prime, O prime, A, O. It's still the same segment. So our solution is 3. This is translation of 3 units up. 3 units up give us 2 parallel segments. In the last statement we have clockwise rotation of 90 degrees about the origin. So because we have rotation about the origin, so the point O will stay in the same place, and we will have clockwise rotation, so we will go this direction up, and we will go 90 degrees up. So this will be our image of our segment OA, and these two segments are not parallel. So the last statement is also not our solution. The solution is the third, translation of 3 units up.